Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll walk you through the setup process for the V380 Pro Wi-Fi camera. Whether you're securing your home or just looking to keep an eye on things, this camera is a great choice. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. You'll find the V380 Pro camera, a power adapter, a mounting bracket, screws, and a user manual. Make sure you have everything before starting the setup. Start by choosing a location for your camera. Make sure it's within range of your Wi-Fi network and has a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Attach the mounting bracket to your desired spot using the provided screws. Next, we'll connect your V380 Pro camera to your Wi-Fi network. Download and install the V380 Pro app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, tap Add Device and select Wi-Fi camera. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure your phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The app will now prompt you to connect to the camera's temporary Wi-Fi network. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and select the camera's network. Once connected, return to the app to proceed with the setup. Once the camera is connected, you can customize settings such as motion detection, alerts, and video storage preferences directly in the app. Make sure to test the camera's live view to ensure it's positioned correctly and capturing the desired area. To finalize, you can mount the camera securely on the bracket you installed earlier. Adjust the camera angle as needed to get the best view.